Okay guys, boy do we have something planned for you guys today. So, we're out here at the river. Apparently in this area, there's been drum, tarpon, snook, and redfish caught. And over there, we saw a big black drum over there. We saw its tail come up when we threw my Abu Garcia at it. It didn't want to eat. Waiting, there's so many big fish. They're a mullet, and probably in there's a little man-hater.
So we thought we had a big redfish on.
Okay guys, we are out here. We caught our second fish, baby sailcraft. All we're trying to do is catch bait. It's on my brand new Lose Rod and Reel. Thank you, Grove Church.
Yep, you won it from the church fishing.
Okay, and we're gonna let this little guy go, and we'll see you when we catch something else. Okay guys, here's a little quick story. Out here, it used to be about 4 years ago. The water quality used to be amazing. And there used to be so much fish in here. You would catch big trout, big redfish. Don't get me wrong, we still catch big stuff out here. It's just, they're limited. And you can see the water quality right now. It's horrible. It looks like someone poured sweet tea in the water. The water quality has went down extremely, and we're just trying to catch anything. And there's an algae bloom right now. I don't know if it's red tide or what. It's just an algae bloom. That's why the water looks how it is.
It's like pea soup, right?
Yeah.
Well, we might catch something, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna try.
2 stingrays, 1 catfish. Okay, guys. I just cut myself really bad, and we had like a 12-inch whiting come up and popped right up. I went in after it. I'm soaking wet. I went totally in after it with like $100 Nike cleats.
Cleats?
Nike shoes on.
So, would you do that again?
For sure.
Really?
We finally defeated the whiting today. The birds apparently want to be in my video. You want to be on YouTube, bro? He does.
All right, let him go.
Let's let this little guy go. Hey guys, we got.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, gotta get it! Oh! Rod's going off, guys. It's craziness. So we have a hardhead catfish here. We got a channel cat, this is a hardhead. And he got like a nice fish.
All right, we got our target species. We're gonna put them out there, and we know the trout out here really like croakers, so let's see.
Okay guys, I caught this monster wagon. Look at that. This is close to my PB. My PB is, I believe,
13.
13.
All right, let him go.
And this guy is 12 and a half.
Let him go.
Okay guys, I got a story for you. And there's a tarpon on my rod. It snapped. It was about 10-pound tarpon, about 2 foot long. It was like right up there. And I'm like...
And you thought you were reeling in a stingray.
Yeah.
Until what?
Until the tarpon leaps like maybe 6 inches out of the water. And it broke. Okay guys, we got a speckled trout, beautiful little guy. We got him on the tiny Lose rod. We're gonna go let him go.
are absolutely slaying these beautiful speckled trout today. Right?
Oh yeah.
Let's let them.
There's fish out there. Destroying them.
Yep. All right, let's let them go.